Kila Sir Fred, maraming salamat po, Sir.
Sir DR, Sir Joy
And
Company.
Boss Sir, maraming salamat sa inyong mga compliment.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, down to our last song, of course.
And before you go to our last, I would like to invite you guys. Every night po, iba-iba yung performer here at River Gold Comedy Club. Ayan, so Sunday kami hindi makapunta dito.
And we are the Tuesday group, of course, ladies and gentlemen.
Of course, no other than Shawi, of course, Adrian, Alan, Bishop, of course, Stepsa, and of course, Hazel.
Ayan. Down to our last song, kaya naman shower, let's go. Ayan na.
Ay, si Boss Frank kakanta ata.
Oo. Eraser heads.
Let's go for it.
Bravo. Bravo.
Oh, sabi, baka makikita tayo. At least makashare lang ako dito.
Kaya nga, apat kami. Ay, parang bilhin na. Ilan tayo, apat?
Bitch, let's go. Medyo matagal ko itong nalaman.